Most digital transformations start with a huge Big Bang launch. We give it a fancy name, everybody gets excited, and the energy and the expectations are very high. But then 9, 12, 18 months in, everything just fizzles. This is where you enter the valley of death. It is a predictable phenomenon where initial enthusiasm and energy about a transformation just evaporates. The reason this happens is often because leaders and the people who set the direction get distracted by either daily operations, putting out fires, or simply the next new shining thing. What happens is that the teams get burned out, and most critically, no one is seeing any tangible value or measurable results. This lack of result is often by design. We try to do everything at once, ending up spreading ourselves too thin, and the transformation just becomes a rudderless ship which ends up dying a slow death. How do you survive the valley of death? In my experience, it is quite complicated, and it's not just one single thing that you have to do, but I would say it starts with restoring 3 fundamental principles. First, you have to ensure or restore focus. You need to define a primary KPI that becomes your anchor point metric. Let this be your true north. Instead of trying to do 50 things all at once, you focus the entire digital transformation on moving one critical number that your business, stakeholders, operations, and customers care about. It will force you to cut the noise and find the fastest pathway to a tangible win. Second, you must adopt a startup mindset. Stop acting like this huge, big project program manager and start acting like a startup that has to prove its value to survive. This is your governance. Your governance meeting is your funding rounds. You are there to prove to your leaders, to your investors, that you are delivering tangible value that they can buy into. You deliver on your promises now to earn your next round, the budget, the trust, and the right to tackle the next challenge. This keeps leaders engaged because you are not just giving a status update, you are providing ROI on their investment. And third, you must deliver real wins with solutions that are not just viable, but lovable. This is what really ensures any successful digitalization initiative and program. A tangible win isn't just a viable tool. It is a minimum lovable product that makes life easier for your frontline teams, the people who are working with and actually using the delivered solutions. This is what really builds trust and proves your value and pulls your transformation forward instead of you pushing it. The value of death is predictable. It is caused by a loss of focus, accountability, and tangible wins. So ensure and restore focus with an anchor point metric, maintain accountability with a startup mindset, and deliver real wins with solutions that people love to use. In my experience, this is how you survive the valley of death.